I visited South Pass City, Wyoming on October 18, 2024, and got some drone video of the mining facilities there. There is a small historic site located here, but it was closed since it was the off-season. South Pass City is considered by many to be a ghost town, but there are people still living there. There is a historical marker at the mine, and it reads as follows. In 1868, the first mining claims were staked out in Wyoming. Word of the new gold rush spread, and the summer of 1868 brought an influx of people from every corner of the globe to partake in the bonanza. A torrent of mining activity followed for the next several years. In 1869, South Pass City, with perhaps 3,000 people, was Wyoming Territory's second largest town. Every boom ends, and by the early 1870s, the local mining districts, collectively known as the Sweetwater mines, had passed their zenith. A small handful of hardy hangers-on remained in South Pass City through the years, and in later booms, fueled by outside investment capital, kept the embers of civilized living and a connection with the larger world aglow. Today, South Pass City is among Wyoming's smallest continually inhabited towns and is home to its largest state historic site.